malunggay, papaya, gataan, or sabawan. Yun, birthday na.
Tapos ngayon, sasabihin ko sa inyo ang, ano yun? Yung sinabi ko na regaluhan ko sa birthday ko.
Baby girl!
Moments later.
Start that? What?
I just started.
What?
Ricket.
Cricket? Cricket? He said?
Ricket.
Cricket?
Whatever.
Like that.
That's a duck.
Duck? Duck is like that. How about the dog?
Meow.
That's why you get mad when Spike is barking because
Yeah, I like
because you want
I like the solar lights they got there.
because you want this
They
right
got our
there.
single.
Papa, you're not
They
listening
got
to
our
me.
single.
You're not listening to me.
You're not listening to me either. I just told you they got a single.
Papa, what the sounds of Papa, it's different way because they have also language like us. In the Philippines, in Tagalog, in Philippines is the dog say, ow, 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 ow. How about here? What's the sounds of the dog? Papa,
Babe, I don't want to talk about it anymore. It's over with.
I want to.
They got it all.
A few moments later.
Hi guys! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is my day! Happy birthday to me! And guys, karating ko lang galing work. My husband picked me up and we have a breakfast somewhere and then marami kaming pinuntahan. Basta mga errands. Marami kaming errands this morning and then kauwi lang namin ng bahay. I feed my kids and after that, 11 o'clock na. I'm so sleepy. 11 o'clock in the morning guys. So, matutulog na ako. Mamaya pagising ko. Walang special. Magdi-dinner lang kami with family and then that's it. But it's still a blessed day. Thank you, Lord. See you later. Patutulog muna ako. Sleeping Beauty. Antok na ako masyado, guys. I have a lot of work last night. So, see you! Yung name nyo, mamaya, sasabihin ko. Good night to me. Good night to all. Good morning kung saan man kayo. Night na actually sa Pilipinas ngayon. Ngayon is 11 in the morning here. Pero dahil night shift ako, daytime ang tulog ko. So, see you guys!
A few moments later.
Hi guys! Kagigising ko lang at naligo. Ngayon, aalis kami for dinner. It's my day! Anyo kami. Magdi-dinner with a family. Yun lang ang importante guys. No special. Walang handaan. Kakain lang. Tapos. Pag nag-birthday ko guys, hindi uso sa akin yung handaan kasi nung maliit pa kami, maghuli lang ng tatay ko ng maliit na manok. Kakatayin. Tapos, lalagyan dito ng dugo. Yun, it's my birthday. Ganun na. Tapos gataan. O kaya tinula. Lagyan ng malunggay. Lagyan ng papaya. Malunggay, papaya, gataan, or sabawan. Yun, birthday na. Birthday na. So, sanay na ako ganun guys. So, ganun lang. Walang handa-handa. At least, thank you naman kay Lord na binigyan ng mahabang buhay at magandang buhay. Life is beautiful, so you have to appreciate it. Thank you, Lord. See you!
Why, mama?
Say hi to my vlog. Hi.
What's your baby girl? What's your baby girl? What's your baby girl? The baby girl.
I'm not no grandma.
Oh, baby girl.
Yeah. Yeah. Me get your feet. I get you.
Don't laugh.
A few moments later.
nandito na naman kami sa ice cream.
Have a good day.
Ayaw ng camera yung mga kasama ko, guys. Say to my vlog! Mag-ice cream na naman kami. Yung baby namin tulog na. Tulog na mong baby. Tulog. Ella, my daughter. Tapos kain. Ito. Mahiya to. Ito. Ito, mahiya dito. Say hi to my vlog. Hihiya yung mga anak ko, guys. Napili ko is ito. Ito. What's my food? This is better. Okay, look. Come on!
I don't like strawberry.
Just try.
Babe, I already know what strawberry tastes like.
Happy birthday! And thank you so much sa suporta. Happy birthday. Huwag maging successful kang vlogger. Nakakadali mag-support sa iyo na ibang vlog. Sa like, subscribe. I love you. Sana mapakain mo kami.
A few moments later.
Hi guys! Nandito ulit ako. Pag pinagawain, nakakalas na. Tapos noon, nag-moving marathon kami. So, supposed to be my work ako pero hindi ako pumasok. I spend my time to my family. Minsan lang to. At saka birthday ko naman, reward to myself. So, yun. Nanood kami ng TV. Tapos, nag-sleeping beauty. Ngayon nakarelax na ako. Sobrang pagod. Sobrang busy. So, but at least nakapagbigay ako ng time para sa pamilya ko. And so, that's very special to me. Kahit na hindi special ang celebration, spending with my family is a very, very special moment. So, thank you, Lord. And then, this time check, it's... Anong oras na? Time check is 6 o'clock in the morning. Maaga ako nagising kasi nag-edit ako. Alam niyo na. Para mai-upload ko to. Tsaka yung isa pang video. So, napinding yun kasi sobrang busy. Tapos, ngayon, sasabihin ko sa inyo ang, ano yun? Yung sinabi ko na regaluhan ko sa birthday ko. Sila yung mga ultimate subscriber, ultimate viewers, ultimate supporters na laging nasa comment section, laging nagla-like, lalong-lalo na laging nag-share. Hindi naman lahat sa kanila nag-share kasi kasi yung dalawang napili ko, wala silang FB account. Pero lagi silang nasa comment section, lagi silang nagla-like. Lagi. Ever since. So, hindi lang simula nung sinabi ko, kundi before pa sinabi ko na nagbibigyan ako. Nagla-like na sila, laging nagko-comment, laging nanonood. Full video. Mararamdaman mo yun. So, actually guys, 4 lang sila. Hindi pa naman ako bayad. Pero, hopefully, sa darating pa, may ma-share ako pa sa inyo. Sa ibang hindi pa nakakatanggap, comment lang kayo lagi. Lagi lang kayong mag-share ng videos. Mararamdaman ko naman kung support nyo is loyal talaga. So, abangan nyo na lang next time. Sana, pag alam nyo na, may blessing pa darating. So, ang sasabihin ko ngayon ay, kung sino ang makakatanggap ng 1,000, isang tuwa. My ultimate subscriber na makakatanggap ay si Shebeline Pipito. Congratulations, Dai. Thank you for your support. Alam ko laging nandiyan ka. Evelyn Pipito, guys, is my co-workers before in Manila. And then, the second one is no other than William Escolano, my brother. Thank you, bro, for sharing. Siya yung nag-comment kanina. Siya yung nag-message kanina sa akin. Very supportive. And the third one is... Third one. Nag-wish siya na kung makatanggap daw siya, ibigay niya sa anak niya. She's in Saudi Arabia right now, working as OFW. Alam mo na, sino ka? Congratulations, sis! Lydia Poa! Thank you, sis, for your support. Aninding support. And the last and not the least, yung aking Kuya Idol na laging nagla-like, laging nasa comment section. Kuya Idol, alam mo na sino ka? Kuya Idol, Germany Ubara Channel. Congratulations po, Kuya. Sa malit na bagay, sana papasaya ko kayo sa birthday ko. Thank you so much sa support nyo. Sana patuloy ang inyong suporta. And shout out to all my subscriber, lalong-lalo na si Simpling Buhay TV and her missus, and his missus. And then, yun. But marami pang iba, guys. Hindi ako ready. Wala akong listahan dito. So, thank you so much for all your support. Sana patuloy nyo akong subaybayan sa mga walang kabuluhang video na ini-share ko sa inyo. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Guys, stay safe and stay healthy. God bless everyone. Bye-bye!